Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This video tutorial is over Self-Defense Kata number 1. We will be applying the 3 merits of a good pattern: proper technique, power, and focus. The first, proper technique. Everything I'm doing as correctly as I possibly can. If I'm doing an open hand strike, I'm pulling my fingers and thumb back away from my palm so I focus the strike through my palm. I am not striking with my fingers. When I'm doing the clinch, I'm overlapping my hands, tucking my elbows in. I'm not lacing my fingers together this way, leaving my elbows out. Power. Everything I'm doing with sufficient power to make it effective. If I'm doing elbow strikes, I'm not simply waving my arms out in the air this way, throwing chicken wings out in the air. I'm twisting my hips and shoulders to give each strike power to be an effective strike. This isn't going to do very much. This will. And finally, focus. I look at what I'm doing. I look where I'm going. And if I'm throwing strikes, I'm not looking up at the ceiling or down at the floor or over my shoulder. My focus is on where those strikes are going. If I don't look at my target, I will not hit it. And I also want to look where I'm going. When I'm changing directions, I want to look first and then engage in the new direction. We'll look at this from the front, we'll look at this from the side, and we'll be going pretty quickly. All right, now let's have a look at that from the side. That was Self-Defense Kata number 1. And we're working with the three merits of a good pattern. Proper technique. Everything I'm doing as correctly as possible. Power. Everything I'm doing with sufficient power to make it effective. And focus. I look at what I'm doing. I look where I'm going. Thank you very much for joining me.